Hi everyone, and welcome back to the DECO House series. I'm Mika, and today we're diving into one of our favourite products, DecoSplash. Everything from kitchens, the walk-in pantry, bathrooms and laundry, DecoSplash has been instrumental in transforming these spaces. We chose a selection of finishes from the DecoSplash catalogue collection, as well as choosing some of our own custom designs, which allowed us to truly personalise the spaces. So let's get into it and check out how DecoSplash adds style, functionality and durability to our home. Here in the kitchen, we've chosen a custom designed DecoSplash finish. The beauty of DecoSplash is that it's resistant to heat, stains, moisture. It's a non-porous material, safe to use behind cooktop, and it is so easy to keep clean. And one of the other great things is we've been able to extend the same look and feel to the bar area. We love that it creates a really cohesive space in our open plan living, dining, kitchen area. In the pantry, we wanted to continue with the same colour palette, but we also wanted a different look and feel. So in here, we've chosen from the DecoSplash catalogue collection, the floral wallpaper design, which we really love. We chose DecoSplash for the main bathroom and both en-suites because these areas demand water-resistant, easy to clean and durable surfaces. We've chosen this design from the DecoSplash catalogue collection called Escape. And we wanted it to be cool and calm in our bathrooms, but with a bit of decoration to complement the neutral features in the rest of the room. Here in the main bathroom, we've used DecoSplash behind the vanities and also in the bath areas and as a feature in the shower niches. Just like in the kitchen, they are hard-wearing, busy areas, and we wanted to make sure that the product used could withstand that type of use. Here in the ensuite, we've chosen a custom design splashback. We wanted a feature panel to pop in the shower space. One of the great things about DecoSplash is that it is install friendly. And so we've been able to achieve this look without having individual tiles and all of the grout lines. This is actually two panels seamlessly joined together to provide a continuous look. Finally, in the laundry. In this area, we don't have to worry about splashes or spills from heavy-duty cleaning products typically found in laundry. From the moment I saw the Protea splashback in the DecoSplash catalogue, I knew I wanted to have it in my house somewhere, and I found the perfect home in the laundry. My challenge is with the dual-sided laundry, what to do with the splashback on the other side. Here I've chosen, again from the DecoSplash collection, the Terrazzo Bruno finish as a neutral stone-looking splashback for this space to not compete with the other side. And we love how seamless the finishes have brought this room together. So there you have it. DecoSplash has been the perfect choice in a multitude of rooms in our new home. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time with the last episode, which will be our final reveal. See you then.